We will now see how we can upload the data at high speed in a MySQL table using MySQL connector in Python. We are using a MySQL database car and two tables, CMust and rental, already created before. The existence of the MySQL table, CMust and rental are shown in the database car. The table structure of CMust. In the table CMust, CNO is a primary key. There are two more fields, model and rate par. The columns from the table rental are shown. We can see that there exists a foreign key relationship between the table CMust and a rental. The referential integrity is on the basis of the field CNO, which is common in both the tables. Here we can see the records displayed. The records are actually stored in a CSV file. The file is created in OpenOffice. The file is having same heading as the fields of the table CMust. We are going to upload all the rows from this CSV file into the table CMust by using a single command. CSV stands for comma separated value. If we read the file by using a Python code, we will get an output as shown. If we see the output, we will see that each and every field is separated by a comma. We can see the table CMust is empty now. So let's write down the code to upload the file cmust.csv into the MySQL table CMust. The first statement is importing MySQL connector. The CSV file created is stored in the C drive, in the root directory of the C drive. So we write down the function highspeeddataupload to upload all the records from the CSV file into the table CMust. We first create a connection object SPC database. We use mysql.connector.connect function and we use the parameters hostname, username, password and the database name also, because we are using the database car, so that attribute is also added in the connection object. Next, the connection object calls the cursor method and creates the cursor object SPC car. Next is the SQL query to upload all the records from the CSV file into the table CMust. The command is as follows: load data local in file, then where is the file, into table, which table, fields terminated by, we give the comma because it is the CSV file, ignore one lines. If you remember that the first line in the CSV file was the heading, so we have to ignore that line. The cursor object calls the function execute and the SQL command is executed. The connection object SPC database calls the method commit. Commit is used at the end of transaction to make all changes permanent, such as writing in the table. Since the records are written in the table CMust, we can go and check it now. This is just the function call. This is the output. It is showing that all the records are uploaded in the table CMust. We can cross-check the same by going into MySQL and give the command select star from CMust. We'll see that the same output is displayed. After adding all the records in the first table CMust, we will now add the records in the second table rental. Suppose there are 5 records to be added. Now in this case, instead of uploading all the records in high speed by using a CSV file, we have chosen to actually add one by one the records. And we can see that if I add one by one, we have to write down the execute command 5 times, and at the end we have to give commit command. Finally, we can display all the records from the table rental. Here we can see two outputs. In the left, the output in Python, and in the right, when you give the MySQL command select star from rental, it is actually the same. After adding records in both the tables, we can query from both the tables. Since the tables are connected by a foreign key relationship, we can say